Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Let's continue by cooking the noodles, combining them with the spicy sauce, and discovering helpful tips, tasty variations, and easy ways to customize this recipe to match your preferred spice level. Now it's time to begin cooking. Fill a large pot with water and bring it to a rolling boil over high heat. Once the water is boiling vigorously, carefully add your noodles. Stir gently during the first minute to prevent them from sticking together. Cooking time depends on the type of noodle you're using. Instant noodles usually require about 3 to 4 minutes, while fresh noodles may cook even faster. It's important not to overcook the noodles because they will continue cooking slightly when combined with the hot sauce. Perfectly cooked noodles should be tender while still maintaining a slight firmness. While the noodles cook, begin preparing the flavorful sauce. Heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a large skillet or wok over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, add the chopped onions. Cook them slowly for 2 to 3 minutes until they become soft and translucent. Next, add the minced garlic. Stir continuously to prevent burning. Fresh garlic cooks quickly, and within a minute it will release its signature aroma. Garlic that becomes lightly golden develops a sweet and slightly nutty flavor, but burnt garlic can become bitter, so careful attention is important during this step. Lower the heat slightly before adding the chili flakes and chili garlic sauce. Stir continuously for about 30 seconds. Heating chili and oil allows the natural flavors and aromas to develop while creating a vibrant, colorful base for the sauce. Pour in the soy sauce and oyster sauce. Add the sugar and black pepper, then stir everything together until fully combined. Finally, drizzle in the sesame oil. Immediately, the sauce becomes glossy, aromatic, and deeply flavorful. If you'd like the sauce to coat the noodles more smoothly, add 2 or 3 tablespoons of the hot noodle cooking water. The starch released by the noodles naturally thickens the sauce and helps it cling to every strand. Once the noodles are fully cooked, drain them thoroughly while reserving a small amount of the cooking water. Transfer the noodles directly into the skillet with the prepared sauce. Using tongs or chopsticks, gently toss the noodles until every strand becomes evenly coated. Continue mixing for 1 to 2 minutes, allowing the noodles to absorb the flavors completely. If you're adding vegetables or cooked protein, now is the perfect time. Fold in the spinach, mushrooms, chicken, shrimp, tofu, beef, or any other ingredients you've prepared. Continue tossing until everything is heated through and evenly distributed. Transfer the finished noodles into a serving bowl. Sprinkle toasted sesame seeds over the top. Add chopped green onions. Place a fried or soft-boiled egg on top if desired. For extra freshness, finish with a squeeze of lime juice and a few slices of fresh red chili. Now let's explore several delicious variations of spicy noodles. If you enjoy creamy dishes, stir 1 or 2 tablespoons of heavy cream into the noodles just before serving. You can also melt a slice of cheese directly into the hot noodles, creating a rich and velvety sauce that balances the spice beautifully. For Korean-inspired spicy noodles, add gochujang, a fermented chili paste known for its deep, slightly sweet flavor. Kimchi also pairs wonderfully with spicy noodles, adding tanginess and crunch. Thai-style spicy noodles often include fresh lime juice, crushed peanuts, cilantro, fish sauce, and a small amount of palm sugar. These ingredients create a delicious balance of spicy, salty, sweet, and sour flavors. Japanese-inspired noodles frequently include miso paste, sesame paste, mushrooms, seaweed, and soft-boiled eggs, resulting in a rich and comforting meal. Chinese-style spicy noodles often feature chili oil, garlic, ginger, Sichuan peppercorns, green onions, and ground pork for a bold and aromatic experience. One of the greatest advantages of homemade spicy noodles is complete control over the spice level. If you're new to spicy foods, begin with a smaller amount of chili flakes and taste the noodles before adding more. Building spice gradually allows you to enjoy the flavors without overwhelming your palate. If your noodles become too spicy, don't worry. Several ingredients can reduce the heat while maintaining delicious flavor. Butter, cream, milk, cheese, peanut butter, or even a fried egg can mellow the spiciness. Fresh cucumber slices, steamed vegetables, or a light salad also provide a refreshing contrast. Many people wonder why spicy food creates a burning sensation. The answer lies in a natural compound called capsaicin, which is found inside chili peppers. Capsaicin activates heat-sensitive receptors in the mouth, causing the brain to interpret the sensation as warmth or burning, even though no actual damage is occurring. This explains why eating spicy food may cause sweating, watery eyes, or a runny nose. Interestingly, many people enjoy eating spicy foods because capsaicin may encourage the body to release endorphins. These natural chemicals are associated with feelings of pleasure and satisfaction, which may explain why spicy food lovers continue returning for another bite despite the heat. Homemade spicy noodles are also an excellent choice for meal preparation. The sauce can be made in advance and stored in the refrigerator for several days. Cook fresh noodles whenever you're ready to eat, then simply reheat the sauce and combine everything together. Leftover vegetables and cooked meats can easily be incorporated into the recipe, reducing food waste while creating a satisfying meal. Presentation is another important part of the dining experience. A beautifully garnished bowl of spicy noodles immediately becomes more inviting. Bright green onions, golden sesame seeds, colorful vegetables, a perfectly cooked egg, and vibrant slices of fresh chili create an attractive meal that looks as delicious as it tastes. Whether you're cooking for yourself, your family, or guests, spicy noodles are always a crowd pleaser. They are affordable, customizable, easy to prepare, and packed with bold flavors that satisfy both casual diners and serious spice lovers. The next time you're craving a warm, comforting meal with exciting flavors, gather a few simple ingredients and prepare this homemade spicy noodle recipe. With just a little time and creativity, you can create a restaurant-quality bowl of spicy noodles that perfectly matches your own taste. Every bowl becomes an opportunity to experiment with new ingredients, discover new flavor combinations, and enjoy one of the world's most beloved comfort foods from the comfort of your own kitchen. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.